morning, everybody. Just a quick video. I've been out here with Loki this morning, out in the shop. This is the mowing deck from our riding lawnmower, and we snapped the blade. These were in pretty bad shape when we bought it. Let it go as long as we could, but now we've got to replace the blades. I've got those down at the house, and I got the mower deck off, and I couldn't get the nuts off of this thing. Of course, I've got breaker bar and socket, and it still wouldn't go. I got the torch out, heated it up. One of the suggestions I saw on YouTube was to melt paraffin down in it. Tried that, wouldn't get it. Superheated it with the nut with the torch, then poured cold water on it, and still wouldn't do it. So, part of it is leverage. So if you can see here, I use Grandpa's pipe clamp to lock the blade, and that allowed me to free up my hands and get some leverage on this. Couldn't quite find a pipe to fit this, so my stepbrother had given me a floor jack that he was no longer using, and I took the handle off the floor jack so I could get some leverage on this. And finally, it snapped loose. Didn't smash any fingers doing it, but we're gonna give this other one a try. Watch out, Loki Bear. You're not gonna wanna be near this again. But having this pipe clamp here really locks that blade down so it won't turn on us. So let's see if this one's gonna be as bad. I did put some paraffin in it, melted that down. We'll see. And part of it, I've got it sitting on the gorilla cart because we're moving it around, but yeah, I don't know if that's gonna. I think we're gonna need to set it down on the ground here to work on it. And move this so you can see. There we are. All right, let's give this a whirl. Of course, the whole thing wants to turn now too. And just like that. As you can see how bad these things are. There's no blade left to it. End snapped off. The other one's actually in half. So anyway, it worked. Wanted to share that with you, and we'll see you next time.